Are you looking to borrow crypto on Bybit? In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Navigate to crypto loans. Start by heading to Bybit's website. On the navigation bar, click Finance, then select Crypto Loans. This will take you to the crypto loans page where you can begin the borrowing process. Step 2. Create a loan order. Now it's time to set up your loan. Here's what you will need to do. First, select the coin type you want to borrow and enter the amount. Next, choose your collateral and decide how much you want to use. Then, pick your preferred loan term. Once you have filled in the details, review the information on the right hand side of the page. This includes the interest rate, total interest amount, and repayment amount. Make sure to read the acknowledge the crypto loan service agreement. And when you are ready, click borrow now. At this point, your interest will begin to accrue. Step 3. Confirm your loan order. A confirmation pop-up will appear with all the loan details. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. And then click Yes to finalize your loan. View and manage your loan orders. To check your borrowing details, click My Borrowings here. You will find important information like your total repayable amount, the collateral amount, your current LTV, and more. Alternatively, you can navigate to Order to Loan Order and then select Borrowing Account to view outstanding loan, repayment details, and even your borrowing history. And that's it. Borrowing crypto on Bybit is straightforward once you know the steps. Start managing your crypto loans today with confidence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.